today's video we will see how to fix the fail to login and fail to fetch TradingView error. So the step 1 is to check internet connection. This error often happen due to a unstable or slow internet. So you can firstly switch the network, or you can try to restart or reconnect with your current Wi-Fi network. You can here disable your Wi-Fi or reconnect, or you can change the Wi-Fi network. Step 2 is to clear the browser cache and cookies. So to clear the cache and cookies, you can tap on the icon. Here you will see on the top of your website name. Now here you will see cookies and site data. Go there and now delete all the cookies and site data and then reload the page. Then after it will again ask you to log in using your credentials. Here you will see now I am sign out. Now tap on it to re-sign in again. Okay. The step 3 is you can disable the VPN or proxy. If you are using any kind of VPN or proxy network, you can try to disable them for the time when you open the TradingView. Okay, if you add the VPN, it will show here at the top of your screen. You can disable the VPN. And at last step, you can disable the extension like ad blocker, current plugins, or many things. Tap on the extensions and now unpin all the extensions that are not using right now. Okay, bro. So here is how you can easily fix it. Goodbye.